Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today we will learn how to set Google homepage browser, okay, for the domain users. So if you are working in any organization or any company uh, where you want to set Google homepage for all your domain users using group policy, so I'll show you step by step how you can do that for all your domain users, for all your company users, or for any specific user using group policy. So here you can see on my PC, if I'm opening Google Chrome, I'm getting this default page. Okay, now suppose if you need to set any URL, any link as a default Google Chrome homepage, I will show you. Let's close this window and let me jump on my domain controller. Okay, so this is my domain controller, and here I am going to open group policy management. So I have few group policies here already. If you want to modify any existing group policy just to set Google Chrome homepage, you can do. Otherwise, you can just create one new group policy. So I am going to create here one new group policy, and we'll see Google Chrome homepage setting GPO. Okay, let's say okay. Let's modify this now. So here it is. Right click, go to edit option, and before going to group policy, you need to just make sure for Google Chrome you have already installed administrative template ADMX file and ADML file. Okay, if you don't have, I have already uploaded one video. I'll share that video link in this video description. You can refer that, how you can download and how you can export or install that ADMX or administrative template for any application like Google Chrome, Microsoft Office 365, or Chrome browser, okay, or Microsoft Edge browser. So you can check this video description for that video. Okay, I will enter the URL of that video. Okay, so here you can see, once you'll go to the under computer configuration, once you'll go to the administrative template, you will see here the Google Chrome. If this is not showing you, that means Google Chrome ADMX or ADML file is not installed on your domain controller. Okay, so you need to install that. Now what you need to do, just expand this Google Chrome, and then here you will see start home page and new tab page. Double click on this. Here you will see configure the home page URL. Let me double click on this, enable this, and here you can set like suppose you have to set yahoo.com as a home page. So you can see set here like www.yahoo.com. okay, just Control A, Control C, just copy this, apply. Okay, action on startup, double click on this, select this, and just select this option, open a list of URLs, apply. Okay, you need to select one more setting, this one, URLs to open on startup. Double click on this, enable, and click to show, and just paste here that URL, any URL to which you want to set as home page. Say okay, apply. Okay, that's it. Just close this, and now you need to link this group policy to the specific OU where you want to apply. Like for any specific user, if you want to apply this, then you need to link this group policy to that specific OU where users machines are lying. Okay, so you can do that. Otherwise, if you want to apply this, or if you want to set home page for all your domain users, you need to just right click to the domain name, go to this option, select link and existing, and then select your group policy. So here this is Google Chrome homepage settings GPO. In same way, you need to select and say okay. So you can see now Google Chrome homepage settings GPU linked here to the domain label or root label. So just open CMD, post linking that group policy, and type here GPU update space /force. If you have multiple domain controller in your organization or in your company, maybe you need to replicate manually, or maybe you need to wait for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, and if you want to test it quickly, just for the testing purpose, you need to go to your client machine or any user machine, go to CMD and run GPU update /force. Okay, once it will be completed, I mean group policy update has been completed, then you can try to open Chrome on the user machine or on your machine. So this, you can see computer policy update has completed, user policy update has completed successfully. Okay, last time I just showed you when we were opening the Google Chrome, it was just opening the blank page. Okay, now let me try to open this. Now you can see here it is by default redirecting to yahoo.com. So in this way you can set Google Chrome homepage, okay, in your organization using group policy for all your domain users. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I request you to please subscribe my channel, and if this video is really helpful for you, please like, share with your friends, and if you have any query, please leave your comment. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.